Hi everyone, what's up? My name is Nikita and I am the face behind my Instagram and YouTube channel, yours truly NB. I upload all things fashion, beauty, travel, and everything in between, and today I'll be showing you how I made takeaway boxes for an Indian party. So I recently hosted a party at our house, and instead of giving away the traditional mithai or Indian sweets at the end of the night, we decided to do something a little bit different. So we had takeaway boxes, but we had healthier alternative options and we had a personalized touch. I have to warn you, the quality of the video is probably not the greatest, but I'm gonna try my very best to show you guys every single step along the way. Let's get started. I got these boxes off of Amazon and they came in a pack of about 20. They came with the box, some inserts, and a plastic sleeve, and they also came with these stickers that say, "It is a gift for you, handmade, and thank you." I wanted to personalize these boxes, so I didn't use these stickers. I started off by folding along the lines of the box to arrange it, and then I used the inserts to create 4 different sections and complete the box. Then I filled each section with different treats. I used dates, raisins, and a laddu, a mix of almonds and peanuts and namkeen, which is like a snack mixture of sweet and savory ingredients. So once the ingredients were all sorted into the different sections of the box, I took a personalized sticker and I put it on the plastic sleeve, and this is what it looks like. I got these stickers off of Amazon and I used the Avery website to design the template, and then I just printed it out and put it on the sleeve, and I feel like it just completed the whole box. And that is it. That is how each box turned out. I absolutely love them. I can't really flip this one straight because the ingredients will fall out, but these boxes were cost effective. We spent less than $10 on each box, including the box, the stickers, and the ingredients, and the personalized touch makes them that much more meaningful. I hope you guys like this DIY. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!